Alright, this video we have got, let's have a look, a super fast fan. I know I've been on a fan thing this last few days, but I ordered this again months back. It's called a super power turbo fan. NOPNOG. NOPNOG? I hope I'm saying that right. We've got loads of different attachments. Well, you've got 3 attachments, and you got I'm assuming that these are for blowing up inflatable stuff. Got its own tiny USB charger thing, I don't know if you can see, and in there then you've got warning instructions and turbo fan, and it gives you whatever that it's doing. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see that or not. So I don't even know why I got this neither. You have these impulse buys where you're on TEMU and thought, oh, that's cheap, I'll have that. It's got its own little USB slot, USB-C slot, so you can charge it up. Alright, it says it's 100%. So we'll try it first with just this, whatever that is there. That just without any attachments on it. So, is it this way? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the first power. It's got P1 on it. I don't know if you can see that. That's P1. P2. Whoa. Oh, it's quite nice actually. P3. Oh, what was that? That fell in. Just blowing something into the 5th dimension. So P4. Holy crack-a-moly. You know, for a little fan, how does it get so much to get out of it? Whoa! Jeez, creepers. Can you hear that? Is that it? Is it 4? Oh, thank God. Let's turn it off. Right. Back from the 5th dimension. So what we'll do now is we'll do the attachments. We'll do the biggest ones first. That's what we'll do. So the biggest one is this one, and all it does is there's a little nug in there and there. I'm assuming all you do is and twist it and it's on. So let's turn it on. Hold it down for it to come on. 98%, so that used 2% of whatever it was doing then. So I don't know. Right, power 1. Let's have a look. No, not bad. Power 2. Not as ferocious. Power 3. It's there, but it's not as ferocious as keepers. You see that? Turn it off. Ah, you can even see what you're blowing. How'd you turn that off? There. So hold it down, turn it off. Let's try this one. Slot it on. Bring this back down here. Turn it on again. Turn it on again. 95%. So for these little blowing seconds I've had. It's used 5%, so I don't think this is gonna last long. NOPNOG. Okay. Right, we'll go for the first one. Power 1. Nothing. Gentle breeze, really. I can't see this blowing snow off your car. No, I think it's less. I actually think with these on it kind of hinders it, to be fair. Let's try about this wider mouth one. Let's see what this one does. Alright, NOPNOG, do your thing. Now this has got a broader, I don't know, 1 centimetre. Power on. I see it's much more effective with a broader thing. See that? I think these kind of must be for inflating or something. But that's only on the first one. See that going? Can you see that going already? Second one. Third one. Oh. And I've lost it. Let's try this one. Wow, it's much more powerful without any settings on it. You can see that. Let it go. Go find your friend. It's gone. Do you know what? To be fair, in a really hot day, if you want to blast anything, that's quite nice actually. That is quite nice. I can't remember how much this was. I don't think I'd paid much more than a tenner. But I will look it up and I will put it, whatever it is, on the screen. And that's it. Hope you liked that video. If you liked that video, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed, can you subscribe? All it takes a minute. It's free and it helps my channel grow. Okay, till the next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package, a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinny Mars unboxes it all with Vinny Mars. Click to play, watch and see what surprises wait for me. Gadgets, gizmos, every fine and unboxing journey, one of a kind with Vinny Mars. From TEMU to Ali, treasures unpack. All defines with clever knack. Argos, dreams, and eBay go. Each unboxed thrill, a story told with Vinny Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinny Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Join the journey, stories to tell with Vinny Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinny Mars unboxes subscribe, hit that bell, join the journey, stories to tell with Vinnie Mars. Catch the thrill, watch the show, what's inside. Let's all know Vinnie Mars makes everything